In order to run SQL Server on our computer with the use of Docker, we first need to have Docker installed in our system. So to check that, we can use docker -version. So Docker is installed in my system, so I am getting this version. So now what I have to do is I have to pull the Docker image from the Docker hub. So I am using this command. I will paste this command in the comment box. Image is up to date, so I got the image. And then to run that Docker container with this image, I have to use this command, and the password I have to use this one because I have to match the Microsoft SQL Server password policy. Now my container is running, so I have to check that container. I have to use docker container ls command to check which containers are running. So here I can see my SQL Server container is running. In order to connect with the SQL Server, I am using Azure Data Studio. Here I have to keep localhost, 1433, which is a port on which our SQL Server is running, and I have to give username as SA, and the password is the one which I have used here in the form of password. So I am putting it here and need to connect. So your SQL Server is up and running. Thank you.